Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. We will be considering about the climate changes as about the International Displacement Monitoring Agency. According to them, that says in 2022 alone, over 35 million of people were displaced, were migrants by the climate-related issues. So, here we want to know that what is causing the people. My dear friends, whenever we talk about the climate changes, we will be concerned about the glacier melting or sea level rising or any other problems. But there is a real crisis. There, when the people is just migrating to another country, another place, by the reason of their climate-related issues. But the person on that land, they can say, please stop there. They can remit that. They can restrain because it includes a little bit of sympathy knots. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres says that sending the people who have migrated to another land, sending back them is a clear-cut violation of the human rights. There will be so many international laws and another policies and another theories against restricting the sympathy knots. But the international law fails to eradicate, it fails to restrict these certain problems. The 1954 Refugee Convention is defeated the international laws because they couldn't replace it. They can say it can be replaced by another land. So, in accord to the World Bank, that says by 2050, around 260 million of people will be displaced to the problem of the climate crisis. So, see in the Syria conflict, for instance, they push it into the rural family because the problem of the climate crisis. They just displaced their natural land to the crisis. So the sad truth current here, humanitarian system. They are not ready to replace it. They are not ready to make more policies behind it. They are just focusing, they are just forming new term measures and planning to stick it. In 2023, the UN appeal for climate disaster reaches half of its fund. And some experts call for new climate refugee conventions. So, when we looking from another sense, we are going to that the migration from one land to another land can cause the depletion of their human resources also. Whatever the wealth of a nation, whatever the technological advancement of a nation can raise up their economy. The human resources is the key element and behind their success. If that element is migrated to another land, it can cause them negatively. There is a Bangladeshi climate activist, Salome, says the people least response for the climate change. So, the tool for responding is in behavioral lips. There is a weapon you can fight against the climate crisis to overcome and to host the people who have migrated to Thailand, not by occupation, not by another measures. That's all. Thank you. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.